Welcome to 12 Sayor Drive, a beautifully maintained 4-bedroom executive home with 3 washrooms, situated within a well-established neighborhood of Ajax's sought-after Westney Heights community. Through its inviting front entrance is a main level showcasing generously sized principal rooms with a wonderful ease of flow for entertaining, a neutral color palette accentuated with white trims enhancing their aura of elegance, and high-quality laminate flooring as a harmonizing detail throughout. Directly off the sunken foyer are the open-concept living and dining rooms. Bathed in light through 3 east-facing windows and a north-facing window, these 2 spaces are beautifully suited for both formal and casual entertaining, while the ambient brightness of a timeless light fixture in the dining area adds a sense of intimacy to this room. The family room down the main hallway is also ideal for formal entertaining and casual get-togethers, with this space featuring 2 oversized west-facing windows with backyard views, the ambient lighting of wall sconces, the warmth of a gas fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling brick mantel, as well as 2 corner shelves for remotes, speakers, or display purposes. An incredibly functional work area, as well as a great space for mingling with family and friends, the kitchen has direct access to the formal dining room for entertaining convenience and is complete with a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances that include a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer, a gas range, a microwave, and a built-in dishwasher. The oak cabinetry is painted in a neutral shade of grey, and its under-cabinet lighting highlights the more earthy tone of the backsplash, while dark stone counters finish the base cabinets. The cabinetry has the additional features of 2 servery areas, one with a glass-paneled upper cabinet, and a large wall pantry, while the center island also has storage, as well as seating, pendant lighting, and a built-in stainless steel wine fridge. The walkout in the breakfast area opens onto the west-facing backyard's wood deck, which has been customized for year-round enjoyment. Partially covered by a pergola finished with clear corrugated roofing panels, the deck is enclosed by 3 walls of wood-framed see-through panels that are fully removable and easily stowed away in the backyard storage shed. 2 ceiling fans provide air circulation above the sitting area, while along the north side is the outdoor kitchen, which features a gas barbecue with a hood, side burner, and a tiled backsplash, wood storage cabinets and tile countertops with a bar area, as well as wood louvers for airflow as well as privacy. And when needed, the deck also comes with a sunscreen for its west wall that is currently stored in the shed. Off the main level's hallway can be found a laundry room, which has a side door to access the front and backyards, easy care vinyl flooring, a front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, a tiled backsplash, and a folding counter, a powder room with a tiled floor and a vanity with glass countertop basin and modern faucet, the staircase to an unfinished lower level that offers great potential for future recreational and entertaining space, as well as a double coat closet. The sunken foyer's tiles are laid on the diagonal, with the foyer also providing access to the double-car garage, while curving gracefully to the upper level is a carpeted staircase with a hardwood railing and a ceiling fan above it. All 4 bedrooms feature good-sized windows for ample natural lighting, ceiling fans, and quality laminate flooring, with the second bedroom, which is just off the staircase landing, additionally featuring a walk-in closet, while the 3rd and 4th bedrooms come with double closets. These bedrooms share amongst them the main 4-piece washroom, which features a tiled floor laid on the diagonal, a wall-to-wall vanity with 2 drop-in basins, as well as a corner acrylic shower area with glass enclosure. And just outside this washroom's door is a walk-in linen and storage closet. through a double door entry is the very generously sized master suite. Enjoying a west-facing exposure and having a lovely sitting area under the windows of its turret wall. This beautiful personal space also features 2 walk-in closets, and a relaxing, well-appointed 5-piece ensuite washroom that showcases a tiled floor, a water closet, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower and a stack stone accent wall, a glass shower with polished wall tiles, a stone-topped shower seat, and rainfall and handheld shower heads, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins. A short walk to Alexander Graham Bell Public and St. Patrick Catholic Elementary Schools, this home is also close to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.